creamy beef and pasta. For this recipe I used beef ribs and they got a little bit fat on it, so we're gonna cut that away. I used about 700 grams of beef ribs and I chopped them real fine. And they don't have to be perfect because we're gonna make a stew out of it. We want the best flavor, so first we're gonna sear the meat. We're gonna do that in batches. Also, every batch gets some salt and pepper seasoning. I reuse the pan and put some olive oil in it. We're gonna saute some garlic and white onions. 1 onion will be enough. When the onions are shiny, I'm gonna add some beef broth and give it a stir. Now everything is ready to go into the slow cooker. First I'm gonna put in the meat. And then our onions and garlic with the beef broth. So added another jar of beef broth. Now it's going on high heat for about 6 hours. 6 hours later I'm gonna add some heavy cream. Give it a good mix. Now 2 more hours to go. Now this is the result, a creamy beef. It's time for plating. First, I'm gonna put on the tagiatelle. Look at that creamy beef. The beef goes on. And I finish it off with some green chives. Now, let's eat. Thank you for watching. I hope you subscribe to my channel and like it. Leave a comment. Let me know if you like the dish. And as always, see you next time.